Whether you're building a business, delivering a presentation, writing a proposal, or creating a piece of art, the toughest critic, and the one you ultimately have to satisfy, is staring right back at you in the mirror. Let's have ourselves a pocket sized pep talk, and I'll show you why there's an artist in all of us and why the standard that matters most is our own.
A Pocket Sized Pep Talk, the podcast that can help energize your business and your life with a quick, inspiring message. Now, here's your host, Rob Jollis.
I come from the business world and I happen to be married to an artist. Opposites do attract, but you would be surprised at the number of things we share. There are quite a number of unexpected similarities that exist between the two of us. One such similarity is based on how an artist views his or her own artwork. When artists create artwork, they create the art for others, but they're in pursuit of pleasing themselves. That may sound a bit strange, but think about that statement for a moment. At the end of the day, artists have to believe that the work they produce is their best. In turn, they feel a certain level of peace and satisfaction with each new piece they create. Selling the work is important, but being satisfied with the work is imperative. An audience's interpretation is subjective, but an artist's interpretation is not. Consider the following decisions an artist faces. 1. When is a piece of art finished? When the artist says so. 2. How does an artist judge his or her work? Artists can't be satisfied with work until they're pleased with it. 3. Does an artist feel pain when judged harshly by others? Yes, but they feel tormented when they judge their own work harshly. Artists must satisfy themselves. That is the ultimate decider. Clearly, more artists are looking to sell their work. Selling their artwork allows the artist to pay their bills and provides a level of validation. However, to be clear, the sale of the artwork does not change the artist's interpretation of the artwork. If you walk through our house, you'll see a few pieces that have never been for sale. They are pieces that hold a special place in the eye of the artist, and they aren't going anywhere. When we are in a position to create something of our own, in our business or in our lives, we should apply these same lessons. When is an idea finished? When we say so. We're the subject matter experts, and as strange as this might sound, we have to count on our own opinions over others. In business, that's what we are paid for. If we bypass our own decision-making process and only use the client's criteria to judge our work, we can create even bigger problems. Remember, if a client strong-arms the work or presentation you do and tells you how to do it, and ultimately doesn't like the outcome, I can assure you they won't be blaming themselves. 2. How will we judge our idea? If we are pleased with it. I'm not saying we don't rely on and take our clients' feedback seriously, but ultimately, we have to believe in and be satisfied with the work we do. And 3, will we feel pain when judged harshly by others? We sure will, but we will be haunted by disappointment if what we offered was not up to our own standards. We must meet our own criteria for excellence. I do believe there's an artistic voice in all of us, and we need to listen to that voice. Please understand that I'm not advocating that you don't work to satisfy your clients and your audiences. I just believe more often than not, if we satisfy ourselves, we'll satisfy our audiences and our clients. After all, in the end, who understands a piece of art better than the artist?
Thanks so much for listening. If you enjoyed today's show, please rate and recommend it on iTunes, Outcast, or wherever you get your podcasts. You can also get more information on this show and Rob at jollis.com.